So I loved 2022. I feel like it was such a pivotal moment in my life, just because I finally was able to move out of my home with my parents and move out on my own, and just so many things, so many changes, and so many things that I've always wanted in life finally happened. And that's what I think 2022 was. And I feel like it was such a foundational year to building just a successful life, and what I feel like is successful, and what I feel like I've always wanted, and just building on top of that. So when it comes to 2023, again, it's just building onto the already foundation that I've built for myself so far, and just keep climbing up that ladder until I hit my goals that I want for this year. So that's what we're gonna do today. That's what we're gonna do in today's videos. We're gonna be focusing on goal setting and organizing my life, and just a whole vision board of what I envision the next year to be like. I love this time of year just because it feels very transitional and just a fresh new start. If you felt like your life was just in complete chaos this past year, the new year is always a good time to just restart, refresh, and just reset your life. Just hit that reset button. It doesn't always have to be at the beginning of the year. You could literally start whenever. You could even start today if you felt like it. For me, I like to do like little baby steps in order to get to where I want to be. So as of right now, I'm organizing my home, I'm decluttering, I'm figuring out ways to make things a lot more better for when the new year comes. I've already set myself up for success by building up these habits, and it's just continuing on for the next year. So I'm going to be categorizing my life into 4 different sections when it comes to me and my goal setting. So number 1 is my personal life. So any personal habits, personal passions, personal hobbies that I have that I want to accomplish for the new year. Those goals will go under that section. Number 2 is finance. Obviously, we all have some sort of debt, whether it's a car loan, a house loan, or just like credit card debt. We all have it. And if you don't, congratulations to you. That's the goal for me, is to cut down on all my debts and loans and stuff, because I have things that I want to accomplish for the new year. I won't say them just yet. Number 3 is career. So what I want to do in my career, whether it's YouTube, whether it's me being a slipper. If you guys don't know, I'm a speech therapist assistant. That's what I do from day to day. Every single day as a job. So whether it's with that, with YouTube, things of that sort, or like my personal Instagram, or my Babe Manager stuff that I haven't done in such a long time, if I want to do that again, something that I might consider, not sure yet. And then number 4, actually there's only 3 different categories that I'll be goal setting. And another thing too is I really want to do a vision board. So vision board is essentially just a collage of pictures that inspire you or motivate you, and it kind of gives you a general sense of what kind of vibe you want for your life to look like for the year. So it could be inspirations of cars that you want, it could be inspirations of homes that you want, or just different pictures that give you some sort of like motivation. Whether it's a picture of a salad, it could be you wanting to eat a lot more healthier, or it could be a picture of a tree. It could also, that could mean just you wanting to be outside more with nature. It's very intentional pictures, or it could be just very like on the point, straight to the point. Oh, this is the kind of car I want, so therefore I'm gonna put it on my vision board. So for me, I'm gonna do it digitally. For the past few years, I've done it on paper, but this year I'm gonna do it digitally through Pinterest. I'm just gonna make a little Pinterest board of just different pictures of different, and just pinning different pictures that just gives me that sense of what it is that I want for the new year. So I've always been the type of person to love to write things down, whether it's my thoughts, my goals, my dreams, just journaling, anything, I love to write it down. Just manually gets whatever it's in my brain out. Whether if I can talk to somebody, obviously I choose to talk to somebody about it, but it also helps to write things down just as a memory type of thing, and just getting used to of letting things out and letting things go. So this is what I'm going to do with my goals as well. I'm going to write things down. I know what it is that I want in my head, but writing things down and organizing it just helps it become more real and more visual, that I have pinpoints of, yes, I want to do more of this, and this is exactly how I'm going to do it. So it helps with just an organization within my own brain, and I don't forget my goals. So it helps to just write things down. So you can either do it on a piece of paper, on your phone, just write it down somewhere so you don't forget it. So like I said, I'm going to organize my goals into 3 different categories. So within each category, I want to do about 3 to 5 goals. I don't want to do too many, just because then it would be very difficult to try to obtain them. But remember, this is just something that's going to be happening for the entire year. So if I don't get to it a year, it's fine. But I'm going to create my goals for the year and then break it up into little goals that I can accomplish every single month, every single week, every single day. So the big one that I want to accomplish for my personal life, so I want to lose about 10 pounds, and this is just a goal for the year. If I lose more than that, great. If I don't, then, you know, I tried. But I want to lose about 10 pounds. So number 2 is I want to be more organized in my home. When I look at my house, when I look at my apartment right now, I say house, I see that I have everything that I need and everything that I could ever want. But what I want to do is become more intentional with my organization and making sure that everything that I own has a spot and a place. And even if it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, that I attempt to make it more organized, so that I'm not stressing out of where is this paper, where is this mail that I need, where is this code, where is this password. I want it to all be in a management home, so I know exactly where everything is and where everything needs to be. So I want to try to be more organized in my home in that sense. So another one is to grow my brain, meaning that I want to learn more, whether it's reading, I want to read more, or learn a new recipe for cooking. I just want to be able to grow my brain and continue growing and continue learning. I love to learn. So my next category is finance, and this one is obviously something everybody wants to do, but I want to pay off my credit cards for the year. I know I can do it. I know I can do it for this year. And it's something that I'm definitely going to do and definitely going to tackle. And that's number 1 on my goals, is pay off my credit cards. Number 2, I want to be in the process of buying my first home, whether it's like I'm already in the ropes of like looking at houses and viewing houses or getting into escrow, just be in the process, or it could just be the beginning parts of it, of just finding a loan officer and figuring out the loans, what it is that I need to do. Do I need to build up my credit? Just be in the process and learn what it is that I need to do in order to buy my first home. So that's what I want to do for this upcoming year. So I want to make side money. I have my regular job that pays me, but I also want to try to make more money on the side that I could save up, that I could put back into my credit cards. Just, I want to make some sort of side money, some passive income that I can make month to month. So last but not least, it's my career, the things that I want to do with YouTube, with my actual job, my 9-to-5 job. What is it that I want to do with my career? And you know what? I'm gonna put career/YouTube here because I want to add some goals for YouTube as well. So for YouTube, I want to upload at least 2 times a week. It's kind of self-explanatory. Number 2 is to get better pay. I don't know if I'm going to stay with the company that I'm at right now or if I'm going to be moving different companies. The point is that I want to negotiate my rate right now and try to see if I can get a better pay for my job. And then last but not least, to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. And that's the last thing that I need in order to start making AdSense on YouTube. And that's always been a goal of mine, is to get 4,000 watch hours. So these are all of my goals. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload. And follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.